What's up, y'all? Dano here. We're here at the Shed in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We're here for the Sizzling Steak Showdown. Come with me. Let me show you what this is all about. We got free beer and free crawfish tonight and the showdown tomorrow. Let's go. This place is super awesome. We're gonna walk in here, check out the music real quick. I'm gonna show you where the judging's gonna go on. Check it out.
So I put it in the pan. I put it in the pan.
Everybody eating some crawfish, free crawfish, free beer on Friday night. This is where the judges will be, right up here. This is where the showdown will be. Check it out. Always here making friends. Our new friends are here. Woo! Yeah!
Big Dano, baby. What's up, baby? What's up?
Hey, that's right. What's up?
Doing the dang thing.
Doing the damn things. Check it out. This is the restaurant. Super cool. You walk in here, you place your order. They got, you know, all their like cool little stuff. Like you can buy cups, you can buy sunglasses, you can buy all kinds of stuff in there. Anything you want. Dude, I'm telling you. We'll go in there and we'll show you that later. But let's keep getting to the party. Let's go. Look, come on. Look, you got a little sand pit. Kids can hang out. You can use the restroom. You go up there. There's a whole little walkway. I mean, this place is so cool. Look, check this out. Look, everybody's over here eating crawfish. Let me show you where the crawfish are being cooked. I'm gonna show you where the crawfish are being served. I'm gonna show you where you can get a free beer on Friday. I don't know about Saturday. This right here, this is where the crawfish were cooked. Look at these bins. Look at this. Come on. Woo-wee! And they keep them down here in these giant bins. I'm allowed to do this because Brad said I could. Check this out, my friends. Look at that. That's that yum yum. Get you some, baby. Pinch that little tail. I'm not the best at this, but I don't think you can mess it up. That's good right there. Look. I'm kind of thirsty. Walk right over here. I'll serve myself. Get me a Bud Light. Get your little sippy sip. Go with that tasty taste. The party's going on. I mean, this whole area, all the way through, this whole area. Check this out over here.
Check it out. We're here at the saloon at the back of the shed. This place is cool. They're stocking it right now for tomorrow. Okay, guys. Tomorrow, this place is going to be the place to be. Brad already said it's the coolest place here. I'm like, this whole place is the coolest place here. Check it out, guys. Let's go on in. So as I was explaining, they're still stocking stuff for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day we have been told. That's what we're here for. That's what we've been waiting for. Check it out, guys. This is literally a saloon.
Guys, if you've never been to Ocean Springs, Mississippi at the Shed BBQ, I'm telling you what, you're missing out. I'm having the time of my life, and we're just getting going. This is only Friday night. What's up, y'all? It's Showdown Saturday. We're here at Ocean Springs, Mississippi at the Shed. The cook-off's going down. We're gonna walk around, show you some of this cooking going on. Serious stuff, you guys. Check it out. We got it right here. Everybody got their grills going. They're turning in. There's competition, like judging going on every 30 minutes or so. Check out this steak. Check this out.
Tell me about the duck fat. Does that add flavor?
It doesn't leave as oily of a taste.
They ain't playing. So, there's seasoning companies out here. There's people selling grills, people selling barbecue sauces. You got your restaurant. Check it out right here. We got some barbecue smokers. We got the cotton gin smokers. What's up?
Not Master Convention.
Nice to meet you. Tell us what you got here, man.
And we've got custom drum smokers. This one we built and are proud to present it today to Riley Wright, Sacred Princess, 13-year-old girl. All eyes are on this girl.
Yes.
It's cool. So we're sponsoring her.
How you doing? Hang in there. Good. Much better. Good.
Nobody had a good.
About it in. Still have money.
Some charcoal probably. B&B.
And a lot of expensive food to make that happen. But big word up. Go down here in a minute, Big Daddy. So make your way up front.
Yes.
Let's see what you got.
Let's wait to do that. Let's get this showdown set.
Italy-umptious. I mean, if you could imagine what's happening in my mind right now, and I don't even know what's going on, but look at all the smoke that's coming out of this grill right now. I mean, can you see the grill grates, how hot they are? They must be at 675, 475, 575, 875. The judges are where it's at.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right. How we doing?
All right, y'all. Oh yeah. Presents love for the barbecue family, an insane amount of bragging rights, and Doug, just take it away. And by the way, Mom, thank you for working on that, because that looks awesome. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, thanks for having me. Yeah, it's my birthday. In case y'all forgot, we're gonna have drinks later. All right, so showdown. Big word up to our celebrity judges that came in. Dano, thanks for coming in. Charlie Brinja, judging the Jack changed my life. Carl Butler, thanks for making us famous. Prairie Fresh, thanks for all the support for all the years. Big word up to my dad over there for just making me a badass. And so, take it away, Doug.
Are we ready?
Oh, hey, wait, hold on. Big word up to my folks over here in Turkey and Prairie Fresh. So, sorry.
Are we ready?
Look, I am a shameless self-promoter, and you need to hurry up.
All right, I'm gonna try one more time. Here we go. All right, by split decision.
The Shed Steak Showdown winner is
Kevin.